21 Industrial Bedroom Design Ideas. This bedroom from Grillo Designs is a beautiful example of how to mix modern and industrial designs to create a fresh, updated vibe that feels warm and inviting. You just have to love the way the brush and ink prints look next to the distressed mid-century nightstand. Do not be afraid to combine stylistic elements when testing the waters with industrial design. So much of industrial decor is about contrast, old next to new, recycled next to DIY, and even light beside dark. This bedroom from Tamara Magle Studios combines the neutral, slightly raw look of bare white brick with a stark black accent wall to create dimension and depth. If plain brick walls feel too cold for your taste, experiment with a bold alternative. Though a lot of our favorite industrial-style bedrooms feature white brick, keeping things natural, like in this room from Girl and the World, can be just as beautiful. The rich, exposed brick pairs nicely with the pallet bed frame. Just add a few black and white prints and your room will feel complete without a lot of work. When you think industrial style, a warehouse loft probably comes to mind. This loft bedroom spotted on Homes by Robin's Instagram is the perfect mix of modern and industrial. The black metal framed window panels are a common industrial feature, but the Scandinavian-style furniture lends a mid-century modern vibe. This bedroom by Alexander Design Build is probably the most industrial space on our list. It has exposed brick, creatively used steel elements, and a stark yet warm vibe that feels effortlessly chic. When it comes to industrial design, less is usually more. This industrial-style pallet bed from Pallet List is wonderful, but it is the interesting cork flooring that is the real eye-catcher. Using concrete, reclaimed wood, or cork for your bedroom flooring may seem odd, but the non-traditional materials create a gorgeous look that does not even need an area rug. Industrial design often features exposed architectural elements such as ductwork, piping, and beams. This loft-like bedroom from Laura and Wolf does not look unfinished but rather feels polished and fashionable with its exposed, rustic elements. If you want to add a pop of color, cool tones such as blues and grays are widely used in industrial decor. This well-designed bedroom from My Warehouse Home features a pale blue bedspread to give the otherwise neutral room a boost of color, while still maintaining a cohesive look. Whether you find some old steel stools or attractively weathered shutters, like in this room from Wanan_bij_Chantal, giving aging materials a new lease on life is a great way to achieve an industrial look. Next time you are scanning the racks of your local thrift store, do not be afraid to repurpose the old or offbeat. This industrial bunk bed DIY from Cherished Bliss ditches the traditional and uses metal piping as a ladder and railing. It is not only industrial friendly but also super practical and durable. When it comes to industrial design, sometimes it is all about mixing in bold pieces that catch the eye and still work seamlessly with the rest of the design. This bedroom from Inside Out has the standard exposed brick walls and metal framed windows but also features a couple of unlikely metal pendant lights that take the look somewhere unexpected. Industrial design typically includes exposed beams and piping, but if you do not want to call in an architect, you can fake it with a clever DIY like this shelving unit by Oliver Thornton. At once stunning and unique, this unit uses copper pipes to create a rustic, exposed look that is both visually appealing and practical. If this look is too much for you, try a simpler copper DIY that does not involve soldering metal. When you think warehouse, you probably do not use the words warm and inviting to describe the style, but think again. This bedroom from SF Girl gives off an old artist's loft vibe but maintains a sense of comfort by incorporating rich linen textiles. Blogger Prodigal Pieces wanted to give her teenage sons an industrial-style bedroom that felt masculine and mature. A mix of thrift store accessories, faux brick, and an easy DIY bunk create a warehouse-style vibe in a small space. Home decorators have been utilizing wood pallets in their DIY projects for years, but this pallet bed from Jelinet on Instagram takes the look to the next level. The unfinished, salvaged wood gives the room a loft-inspired vibe, while the whitewashed floors and concrete walls really bring the industrial look together. If you start to research industrial design, you will come across a whole lot of exposed brick. And this bedroom from Industrial Home Inc. is all the proof you need that it is one of the strongest elements of the industrial look. Brick adds texture and warmth while allowing you to scale back on wall decor without the room feeling unfinished. Another common trend among industrial-style rooms is the smart use of steel. Though you may not traditionally think of steel as a bedroom-friendly material, this practical and pleasing barn door spotted on DecorCrush via Pinterest proves it can add unexpected warmth to the space. Steel-framed accent chairs or clothing racks are other great ways to bring this look into your bedroom. When you think industrial style, you cannot help but picture soft lighting and a beautiful, exposed Edison bulb. These caged side lamps from a daily something lend an industrial vibe to the modern bedroom. You can find similar lanterns on Amazon or Etsy. Simply add an Edison bulb and voila! Another hallmark of the industrial style is the use of reclaimed and salvaged goods. Reclaimed wood is one of the most popular materials in home decor, and this stunning bookshelf from Lucy Call will make you want to head to your local lumberyard ASAP. This monotone bedroom from Love Create Celebrate maintains a soft white color palette throughout the room. Industrial design often utilizes neutral and earth tone color schemes. Add a metal pendant lamp like the one seen here, and you will end up with a warehouse-like room you will never want to leave. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.